Music Girls, meron tayong bagong dress. This is our Celeste dress, kaya dapat i-mine nyo na to. Oh, may nag-comment? Ha? Meron tao sa likod? Oh, hi Raco, nandiyan ka pala.
Live pa na to?
Yes, samahan mo ako, halika.
Sige.
Okay guys, meron tong 4 non-working buttons at meron tong waist tie. Kaya naman, mag-mine na kayo. At later, itutuloy natin ang ating live selling.
Yeah, see you later. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's still me, Raco Ruiz, and we're here on Straight from the Expert. On today's episode, we're joined by Miss Jam Añago.
Hello!
Yes, Jam is in charge of Jamazing Apparel, which is an online selling platform online. Jam, what can you tell us about online selling? Kasi I caught you in the middle of online selling kanina, di ba? So, kamusta yun as a business, as a whole?
Well, as a business, maganda yung online selling kasi you can cater any buyers around the Philippines while just being at home. When it comes to profit, ang ganda talaga at less expensive kapag online selling.
Yes, parang yung tindahan pupunta sa'yo. So, kailan ka nag-start mag-online selling?
I started online selling 2021 during pandemic kasi everyone naman is at home as a work from home girly na namimiss mag-shopping. Ang ginawa ko is, nag-resell kami ng items from Taytay. Then, binento namin ito lahat sa aming mga friends, families, sa hometown namin. And after many months, ang ganda lang kasi nakapag-manufacture na kami ng aming own items.
So, how do you make sure na angat yung products niyo versus sa iba?
Well, number one, Raco, since manufacturing kami, we make sure na affordable yung items namin. Secondly is, high quality yung items namin. And thirdly is, very specific yung target market namin, which are dresses for churchgoers sa Philippines.
So, yun yung target audience yung pala, yung mga churchgoers. Kaya puro Sunday dress yung mga binibenta niyo.
Yes, it is
Okay.
actually inspired vintage church dresses.
Oh, medyo timeless nga yung look niya eh. So, curious na ako, ang daming platforms online kung saan ka pwede magbenta online, di ba? So, ano yung pinaka-okay sa'yo?
I've tried Facebook, Instagram, Shopee, and TikTok. But of them all, TikTok talaga kami kumikita ng mas malaki. Let's say, from live selling, 80% of our total live selling or online revenue is from TikTok.
Pero ikaw ba, do you have gimmicks when you sell online?
Siguro, ang nagawa ko pa lang is viral memes. Pero, for mga gimmicks, pag magla-live selling kami, namimigay kami ng freebies. Meron kami discounts. And even, meron kami mga games. Para something ganon, para mas ma-boost and ma-show ng mga consumers namin yung mga items na suit nila.
Ito pa, may question ako sa'yo. Kasi medyo challenge yung keeping up with memes, di ba? So ano pa yung mga challenge na fina-face mo as an online seller?
Well, number one siguro is yung mga bogus buyers.
Okay. Pero may nawala bang funds sa inyo dahil or di naman?
Wala na.
Effort lang and
Yes.
time. Okay. Paano mo iniiwasan yung mga bogus buyer na yun?
So, ang ginagawa namin, pag hindi sila nagre-response is, inaantay din talaga namin. Para just to make sure na hindi sila bogus buyers. And if ever may mga bogus buyers kami, we make sure na we take note at binablock namin sila agad para hindi na maulit.
Grabe naman, huwag kayong maging bogus buyer dyan, ha? Sobrang hassle nyo para sa mga kumikita lang ng, honest living. Naisip ko rin, baka maging challenge sa inyo yung baka may gumaya sa designs nyo or may magbenta ng similar items after seeing na, wow, yung Jamazing parang patok yung mga Sunday dress nila. May mga nangyari masayang ganun, parang may gumaya sa products nyo.
Yes, actually, minsan yung mga resellers kasi namin is binebenta nila yung same item. But what we do now is, we provide exclusive designs sa aming mga resellers.
Kumbaga, gagawa kayo ng design na para sa reseller lang.
Yes.
And may design kayo na exclusive sa inyo.
Yes, exactly.
Magandang technique yun. So share ko lang, sa mga skits ko online, I upload mga 2 to 3 times a week. Pero di ako ganun ka-familiar kung ano yung mga technical aspects ng live selling. So, how often should you upload? Gano'ng kadalas ba dapat yung live? Anong oras ka ba dapat mag-upload? So, ano yung mga technical aspects na yun na gusto mo i-share sa audience natin?
So we do live selling 3 to 4 times a week. And then, meron kami mga teasers na ini-invite namin yung mga consumers namin. Like, At 8 p.m., see you guys. Meron tayong live selling. May mga prepared videos kami ahead of time para maging informed yung aming mga buyers. Secondly, of course, we do inventory count para naman updated yung aming back office at kapag nag-checkout yung mga customers namin is on hand na lahat ng items at mabilis agad masya-ship. Thirdly, around 3 to 4 hours kami nakakapag-online selling.
3 to 4 hours?
Yes,
Dire-diretso?
dire-diretso.
Ikaw lang yun?
No, I already have my team nakasama ko since medyo nakakapagod pag ako lang mag-isa.
Oh, so salitan yun? Salitan?
Yes.
Okay.
Especially pag mga grand live namin, Raco, ang daming lagi nila akong hinahanap or mga special events like birthday live selling, anniversary live selling, dapat ako mismo yung nagla-live selling.
Can you teach me how to live sell?
Sure, tara.
You know, G-Pad, live selling na this. So, Miss Jamazing, live selling na, G. So, what do I need to do to live sell effectively? Paano ba to?
Siguro number 1, dapat may cellphone ka and maganda yung lights mo para mas ma-appreciate ng buyers mo ang mga items na isa-sell mo.
Okay.
Number 2 is dapat alam mo ang mga product informations ng item mo. Ano ba yung mga fabrics? Ano ba yung mga sizes? At ano ba yung mga details nito?
Okay, so kailangan medyo memoryado mo lahat ng details about your product. Okay.
Yes. Number 3 is dapat on time ka kapag nag-live selling. And number 4 and last, most importantly, you need to have fun. Is it as if nakikipag-usap ka lang sa mga customers mo at sinasagot mo yung mga questions nila?
So may mga technique ka ba to have fun with your customers? May mga games ka pa ginagawa?
Unang-una is tinatawag ko silang sissy curls. Number 2, very energetic lang ako lagi kapag nagla-live selling. And siguro lastly, sinasabi ko at ina-address ko talaga properly lahat ng concerns nila sa isang item.
Sige nga pa sample. Tapos gayahin kita after.
Sure.
Try natin mag-live sell.
Ganito yun, Raco.
Okay.
Okay, sissy curls, ito ang ating dress. This is called Zarina dress. At ang fabric nito is Georgette, hindi nagugusot. At meron tong different details, may zipper, meron tong ribbon and collar. At syempre, available ito in small, medium, and large.
Okay, try ko naman. Yo, what's up, CC bro? So this is the red dress gawa sa tela. And size medium siya. Available siya small, medium, and large. And kung bibilin mo to, sobrang magiging masaya yung girlfriend mo sa'yo. That's the best Valentine's gift you can get kasi red siya. The color of love, diba? So, bilhin mo na, broski. Buy one, take one. Ay, joke lang. Buy one, take one ba? Pwede ba yun? Baka lugi tayo dyan.
Sissy curls, mag-mine na!
At mag-mind ka na rin, broski.
Okay na yan, Raco. Ang galing mo na. Pero, huwag mo kalimutang i-check lagi yung mga comments because that is how will you communicate sa mga buyers mo.
Grabe, ang saya para mag-live selling. Parang ginala napagod ako doon. Nahiya naman ako kasi ikaw, usually 3 hours yung live selling mo, no? And it just goes to show kung masipag ka, malayo talaga mararating mo. Thank you so much for joining me, Jam, and thanks so much for joining us here on Straight from the Expert. And I hope you learned a thing or two about content creation, live selling, and who knows, you might be the next Jamazing, diba? Selling clothes online and opening a physical store. Or you might be the next Raco Ruiz just spreading good vibes online, diba? So thank you for watching, and if you want more helpful videos like this that are informative, visit gmanetwork.com/lifestyle and follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and X. Also, if you guys want to follow me on social media, kung tip nyo lang naman, that's at Racobel on TikTok and Instagram. Sige, see you guys next time!